The New York City Department of Corrections made an administrative decision that from the courthouse, it was in the best interest of Mr. Weinstein to go to the hospital where they have upgraded facilities than the actual infirmary at the jail, which that's where he was heading anyway. So he was there. I don't know any details about his medical condition. I went and visited Mr. Weinstein at Bellevue Medical Center. He was in a hospital room. It was actually quite nice. I was pleasantly surprised with his environment as well as his attitude, his spirits. You know, he just went through a shocking situation. And as a criminal defense attorney, we're somewhat weathered to hearing guilty verdicts when we get to go home and go to sleep in our own bed. Mr. Weinstein last night did not go home and sleep in his own bed, but he's handling it very well. He's a strong man. He's being very stoic, and he is very much motivating his legal team to continue to fight for him, because from the moment I met him a year ago until the verdict was announced yesterday, and then even today, he has proclaimed his innocence. He believes that the truth will prevail. He believes justice will be done, that he and Miriam Haleyi, he believes that he and Miriam Haleyi were in that room together. He knows the truth. The truth was not told at his trial, and the truth will come out, and that he will be exonerated. The highest charge he was found guilty of, the Criminal Sex Act. We're very disappointed. Everyone's disappointed. But we do think that the record of the transcript of the trial is strong enough that the appeal will be successful. When I was with Mr. Weinstein today, one of the I complimented him. I said, you know, Harvey, you seem like you're in good shape. And he immediately complimented the staff and the people at the Department of Corrections and at the hospital who were taking care of him. He said they're the consummate professionals, and that's why I'm in such good shape.
But he's in...
So there are two appeals. There's an appeal where we would ask for bail pending appeal, so that Mr. Harvey Weinstein can be at home while the appellate process takes place, which takes about a year, give or take. And then there's the actual appeal, which will be filed shortly after his sentencing. Usually it's 3 to 4 months after his sentencing, and then the prosecutor has a certain amount of time to respond, and then the appellate court sets it up for oral argument, and then they can file a decision as quickly or as long as they choose.
But so would you...